morning. It's December the 30th. It's a Monday. It's just coming up on 10 o'clock in the morning, and I want to give you an update of what's going on here. This is the 1917 REO, and it's going together quite nicely. It has the most interesting, I think this is the most captivating thing for me, is the steering setup on here. It also combines with this switch box here that operates both the magneto and distributor. It's the starting mechanism. It's all sorts of things. Lights and everything. The wooden wheel is out. We're gluing that all together, and that'll go on next. But I want you to see what we have done. All the aluminum panels are all done and are in. The steering has all been taken care of. All of the bearings and the bushings and everything has been done. It's really quite a piece of artwork, and people think that, gee, old is very old and antiquated. Well, it's a standard chassis for 99% of all the trucks of that era and cars, and still up through the, up through our lifetime. And it's really quite interesting, but it's absolutely a marvelous piece of work. And I'm very happy with it. Just wanted to show you this. It's kind of cool. And if you went back and saw the old pictures of when it arrived, it was really a mess. But is that the most incredible looking steering? That's what got me. And we have finished the springs. They're all roped and wrapped now. So I don't know what we're going to do. We've still got a lot to do. Again, we're still working with the Beast of Turin, which is coming along quite nicely. And still waiting for it to tell me what it wants for a few things to be done. But we're getting there. And a lot of new ideas just to show you that this is what we're doing. We're slowly emptying our shelf with bits and pieces and rebuilding everything, including the rear end and so forth. You can see it's all coming together. It just takes time, my friend. It just takes time. These are all bearings and that. They're all particularly good. So we're very fortunate in that respect. But to show you kind of what we're doing, these two aluminum pieces are the inner panels for the wing doors on the body of the Beast. Anyway, just to fill you in a little bit, and I hope you enjoy it. And you can see what we're going through. Now we're waiting for the 5 cars to come back from Saudi Arabia. Not too thrilled, but you know what? Was it a wonderful experience? Met a lot of nice people, and that's the way it is. So anyhow, I just wanted to fill you in. This is the last of the year.